Hey, it's me, Fabio again. Hey, I got another. Well, I'm in the kitchen again. I get to cook all my meals. So I'm gonna show you how to make muffins or pancakes that you can just easily add protein to it. All you have to do is, get your hot cake mix. You can do, you know, make enough for a day or a couple of days, if you only a snack on it. And what I do is I do about, let's say, 2 cups of pancake mix. Use whole grain or brown rice pancake mix, because if you use just regular flour, then you just eat it, a lot of sugar, or white sugar, white, yeah, flour. Just regular flour is just not good, because that's a bunch of empty carbs, calories. Okay, then if I got these the other day from GNC, and they were really cheap. So do the same thing, about a cup. See, that's almost a cup on that one. Then you just mix it, and I got the other one, the remaining of the other whisker. Then you just whisk it. Just whisk it. So remember, just do. You can do 1 to 2 ratio if you want. So because sometimes proteins aren't that great for the pancake to rise or the muffins. So you gotta keep that mix. But you can add just 1 cup of each, and then you add. I do when I got like a mix like this, 4 or 5 eggs. That's kind of like my basics. And 4 or 5 eggs, and do about a the mixture has to be not too light. It's got to be kind of sticky mixture, thick. Okay, and then it's skim milk, eggs. You can add, you can mix the milk and the eggs with the banana to add flavor. You can put blueberries, any kind of fruit that is good in the antioxidants and good for energy. So you can do that, and then just mix it. You start the mix. Start putting it nice and slow, so you don't end up with just watery mix. Until it's nice, thick, and consistent. And that's pretty much it. It's just simple. And then see, that's, you can put them in a muffin container, or cook them pancakes. Okay, see, then you can get good muscles, huh? Natural, healthy muscle. You can be 120 years old and you still have those kind of muscle. You know what I'm saying? That's all. So I'll see you later.